Trisha Paytas who? I'm the skinny legend now. Hey guys, what's up? I just got back from McDonald's and today we're going to be trying out Japan exclusive McDonald's food. So I hope you guys are really excited. I am. I haven't eaten anything all day. The first thing I want to try is this. It says Shaka Shaka chicken. They let me choose between the cheese and some kind of like paprika, I think, or something else, I forgot. But you put this in this and you shake it. I have the receipt right here and it says Shakachiki 150 yen. So 150 yen. So let's just try this out. It has instructions right here. And I never knew I needed instructions for fast food. You put this on here, you close it, and then you go shaka 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 shaka. Let's pour this in. Oh, no. No! No! Whatever. The show must go on. So this is what it looks like inside right now. This just seems wrong. Fast food in Japan, you gotta work for your food. Oh my god, it actually looks really good. Like it marinated really well, and it says to open just right here. Whoa. It smells so good. Okay guys, I'm back. I had to take a thumbnail and I put my hair down, but I'm gonna finally try this, so I'm really excited. This is actually pretty good. Whoa, like the chicken doesn't taste bad at all. The powder, it's like cheesy but a little sweet. This is honestly not bad, but I think I could have done without the cheese thing. I think it would have tasted better without it. Like by itself, it's actually pretty good. And it's pretty big, like look at the rest of it. This is good. I recommend this. Okay, so next thing I'm gonna try is this called Chicken Crisp, and this was only 100 yen, which is like less than $1 in America if you do the exchange rates and stuff right now. Okay. I'm sorry the exposure is like insane right now. There we go, a little bit better, but there's the lettuce. I mean, that's very little, and it looks like there's mustard. I mean, it's 100 yen, like, come on. It's a little sad looking, but I'm ready to try it. Not bad. I would eat this if I was, like, starving, but not actually starving. Honestly, it's not very mustardy. It's very hard, the chicken. Oh yeah, and for everything, it was so fast. It took like 3 minutes for them to get it for me. I was like, did you get everything? It was so quick, so I'm pretty sure it was just like sat there. Personally, I think the McDonald's right by my place is not that great because it's usually like old and stuff, but I think better McDonald's have like fresher stuff. This is really hard, but it's still good. Oh, I just tasted the mustard a little bit. It's not like American mustard where it's that strong, but it's like mixed with mayonnaise, I think. The name for that was, yeah, Chicken Crisp, 100 yen. For those of you that wanted to hear me speak Japanese, there you go. Who knew I would be reading off McDonald's names? Next one I'm trying is the teriyaki McBurger. It's really, really messy and kind of disgusting. It's just not cute. It's so much sauce. Okay. I mean, these are all very unappetizing looking. This is drenched, soaking. That's good. That's so good. I'm surprised. I mean, you can definitely only taste the teriyaki sauce, but if you like teriyaki sauce, you're gonna like this. This is what it looks like inside. It has mayo and, again, the sad lettuce. Oh my god, this is so messy. I like it. Okay, and then we have the ebi fillet. So like this shrimp. This one's also kind of messy. There's like a lot of sauce. I don't know if this is Thousand Island sauce. It's like the orange colored thing. Again, one piece of lettuce and little to no sauce on the actual thing. This is actually the biggest of them all because all of them are so flat, but this is like the most chunkiest, most thick. This probably is old too. So messy. Honestly, the inside of this looks kind of horrifying. This looks like ebi paste, like shrimp paste. But the sauce is really good. Again, I think this has some mustard in it. I didn't know Japanese people liked mustard. But that was pretty good. That's all of them. I wanted to also get like oh, they gave me napkins. How cute. So I wanted to get like some other ones like the chicken tatsuta, which has a weird lump in it. And then I also wanted the choco pie or whatever, but I was too late and there was none. It was like seasonal or something. Honestly, the verdict is it's not bad. It's good. It's pretty good, even though they're all pretty like not fresh or anything. I'm sure if I went to a really busy one, it would have been fresh and it would have been better. The one I would recommend actually, Carl's Jr. in Japan. Holy moly, I had a ginormous Carl's Jr. chicken burger and it was so good. It was like giant. And it was so crunchy on the outside and then so juicy on the inside. If I'm like really wanting to eat something really quick, I would just get this like 100 yen crispy chicken and just eat it. Or like the shaka shaka, so I can like shake it while I'm walking and eating. Teriyaki makbaga 320 yen, so it was 320 yen, 320 yen, which is like roughly, really roughly $3.20 in America, but it's less over there right now. And then ebi fry 390 yen, 390 yen, so this is the most expensive. Honestly, I think my favorite is actually the shaka shaka chicken. I just like chicken. And then the teriyaki burger. And then the shrimp ebi filet. And then the chicken crisp. But everything tasted pretty good. Also, I wanted to thank you guys for over 20,000 subscribers and over 2 million views on my most popular video, the bang cutting video. Thank you guys so much. Oh god, gross. Thank you. Yeah, let me know if you guys want to see more, what kind of videos you want to see. Definitely leave a like, comment, and subscribe because I post weekly. And check out the description. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
I see the crystal raindrops fall, and the beauty of it all is when the sun comes shining through to make those rainbows